Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to start building an email list for free tools and also free traffic. And I'm going to show you how you can start using these tools. You can try these tools out even before you sign up for a free account. First of all, I'm going to show you some proof that they actually work, and then I'll go inside the back office and show you the tools themselves and the ones that I personally use. You'll see here my Gmail inbox. I'm live in my Gmail inbox here, and SendSteed is the list building tool we're going to use. When you see the number 4 or the number 2 little number next to SendSteed, that's how many opt-ins I get in on one particular day. So you'll see here that the tools actually work. We're going to go into my SendSteed account here with Gmail. You'll see some consistency. They do work for paid traffic as well. If I scroll down, you'll see we're getting consistent list building leads here. This one here where it says 75, that's where I've been promoting the lead capture page to paid traffic. So it works not just for free traffic as well. If you've got a budget for paid traffic, you can use these tools as well. And you'll see the list is building nicely, consistency with the numbers. A lot of the days we're getting more than one opt-in per day. So it's just promoting your lead capture pages. I will show you how you can try the lead capture page out for free before even joining. And I'm going to go on to Leads Leap, which is the portfolio of free tools that we're going to use. And if I scroll down here, the link in the description will take you to a page the same as this. If you want to try the tools out, go on to free tools, scroll down here, go past list management, go on to landing page builder, and it says here try landing page builder now. You just click on there, it will open up. Just going to take a few seconds to load up because I'm filming a video today. And you've got your templates, and all you do is just have a little play around with this. So let's say just click on that one, it'll load up, and this is before you even sign up for your free account. You can have a little play around with it. Click in the top right hand corner there, you've got a user guide, and then that will take you through step by step what to do. And if I just click on there, then on the right hand side it brings up my text here, and I can just change that, and you can just play around and try and create a lead capture page and say try let's try again, try me for free. So that's how you do that without even signing up for a free account. I'll take you into the back office now of Leads Leap and show you. I'm on the dashboard here, and I'll show you excuse me, the traffic that you can get. So the traffic that you're going to get with Leads Leap, it's a traffic exchange. So you can either, as a free member, you can surf the traffic exchange to get free credits. That's something I started to do when I first started online. I just used to surf traffic exchanges while I was watching the television. So it's very simple to do, just for in your spare time. I go on to advertising here, and what Leads Leap do, you're not only going to be advertising your offer to Leads Leap members. You'll see here your ads will be shown to our members in our trackers with 200,000 plus of hits daily from thousands of other sites, and our ad widgets are shown in 4,000 plus sites. So the adverts that you put in as a free member, you get 3 free ads here. As a pro member, I've got 10. But your adverts are not only shown within the Leads Leap to Leads Leap members, which do include buyers, they're also shown externally around thousands and thousands of websites all over the internet. So you're going to get traffic from all over the internet using this platform, this traffic platform, not just within the Leads Leap platform itself. And if you want to get even more free traffic, then just have a look at some of my other videos and the traffic sites that I recommend for free. These are two of the lead capture pages that I created. So when I showed you the Gmail inbox and the list that I'm building, I created this one for my prosperity marketing system, and this one here is for easy cash for ads. This was created using a share code. I didn't create this lead capture page. So Leads Leap has what we call share codes, where if you're part of a team, then you'll be given a share code. You just copy and paste it into Leads Leap, and this auto populates and it gives you a lead capture page, just like this one. So very, very simple and very easy to use. So it's all beginner friendly, and that's how you can start to build an email list with free tools and also with free traffic as well. So if you've enjoyed the video today, then please give me a like, a big blue thumbs up like. I'd really appreciate that. To help support me on my YouTube journey. And please click subscribe and click the bell icon for my new videos. I've got over 470 videos now on the channel, and I do new content every single week. And if you want to join Leads Leap, there'll be a link in the description to set up a free account. And I'll also put a playlist to Leads Leap. I'll pin a playlist to Leads Leap. I've done some other review videos, and I'll pin that to the top comment below this video. I've done these Leads Leap reviews here, and I'll do that for you. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.